Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb. Guys, we're going to be making our own homemade do-it-yourself yellow rice. You know, you can buy those little packets in the store, but they're expensive. Once you learn how you make it so easily and simply, you're not going to go back to buying those packets again. You want to start off with parboiled rice. That is going to give you rice that doesn't stick together, and it's going to make a much more flavorful, I think, and better presentation when you cook the rice with your food. I mix my rice with 1 part rice, 2 parts water. Then I add turmeric. It's going to give it the yellow color. The onion powder, which is optional, and about a teaspoon or tablespoon of garlic powder, which is optional. Uh, the peppers and the onions are optional. The main thing you want: water, rice, and turmeric, and a little bit of oil. Everything else is optional. You don't have to add peas and carrots. You know, some people are going to be turning off the video right now because I added peas and carrots. All you need is turmeric, water, rice, a tiny bit of oil, a tablespoon of oil, which I forgot to add. I'm going to have to add in a minute. I cook on high till it starts boiling, then I turn it down and very low, not medium, very low. Simmer it for about 17, 18 minutes, and you're going to have excellent rice. It's not going to be clumpy. It's not going to be gluey. Most of the time, you don't have to rinse the parboiled, but you should when you first get a bag to make sure it's not dirty. Rinse it. But if you rinse it one time, you don't get any dirt. You don't have to rinse it again if it's from the same bag. After about 18 minutes, you can put it on the plate and you can separate it like this. You can't do that with the sticky rice. It's hard. With the parboiled rice, it works out really good for a lot of different things. And yellow rice is so wonderful because you can present your foods in a nice, colorful background. It makes inexpensive foods look more expensive. It gives a wonderful taste to the food. I just love yellow rice. You have leftover rice, you can use it for many different things. It's just very good, handy recipe to have up your sleeve. You can make something very quick, very tasty, inexpensive, looks great, and looking good is a third of the battle when it comes to food, you know. So I recommend your own homemade yellow rice, and you can't go wrong with this recipe. 2 parts water, 1 part rice. I have had people say, "What is a part?" Well, 1 cup rice and 2 cups water. Okay, you see what I'm saying? And don't forget your boom boom sauce, because it makes the chicken taste like shrimp. All right, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Check out my other recipes. Been making videos for 18 years. Got over 1,700 videos on anything you can imagine. All right, guys. Take care. That's the cowbell for this one. Cowbell for this one.